One of the most common problems I hear about is chain skip. That is when your pedal slips forward while pedaling under pressure. This is usually caused by a stiff chain link, a worn out freehub body, or a worn out chain and freewheel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to diagnose a worn out drivetrain. Watch the stiff link tutorial first to make sure that isn't your problem. Once you've ruled out a stiff link, it's time to check if your chain is actually worn. Chains will stretch over time because the pins and bushings start to wear, which causes them to start skipping. There are many tools available that measure chain wear, listed to the right of this video, but the easiest and most accurate way to check is by simply using a ruler. With your chain still on the bike, place the ruler's 0-inch mark directly above the center of one of your chain pins. Now count 12 complete links. A complete link equals one inner and one outer. A rivet on a new chain should line up exactly with the 12-inch mark using this method. According to Sheldon Brown, if the rivet is less than 1/16 inch past the mark, your chain is okay. If it's between 1/16 inch and 1/8 inch past the mark, you'll likely need a new chain, but your sprockets should still be okay. If it's more than 1/8 inch past the mark, you'll have to replace both the chain and rear sprockets. The reason you'd have to replace the rear sprockets is because they generally wear with the chain. While the chain is stretching, the gap between the teeth on your sprockets also gets wider and wider. This causes the chain to ride up over the teeth and slip while pedaling under pressure. If you install a new chain on an old sprocket, you'll probably be able to see gaps of light through the teeth as shown here. Your front chain rings generally won't need replacing. Because of the larger diameter, the front chain rings usually take twice as long to wear. If worn, they are very easy to spot, as they'll start looking like shark teeth.